Andrew, thanks for coming in. Okay, so Tan says, data science degree or doing a trade? What do you think? Um, Tan, it's a close call. I think it's a close call. I think that there are something to be said for the trades. I think that, there is this early theory forming. I don't know if you guys have heard about this, but there is an early theory forming. If AI really grows to what people think it will, we as an entire society, as an entire humanity, will have to start reevaluating college, right? Right? So I get it, Ton. I totally get why you would have this debate. And I think that it is a debate that we're going to hear more and more about in the future. In addition to that, if I think about my life, one of the few things I try to live my life with zero regrets, right? I don't think regret is healthy for the soul. But one of the things that I do wish somebody had sat me down when I was like graduated from college, I wish somebody had sat me down and explained the options that there exists for the military. Because if you're a college graduate and you go into the military as an officer, that can also be a very interesting and very rewarding career. And I wish that I understand it now, but when I graduated in college, I didn't really understand all of that. It just wasn't on my radar. So I wish that somebody had sat me down and said, hey, have you considered the military? And this is why. So I think that those types of discussions are going to start happening more and more in the future. So I think it's close. So coming back to your question, I'm sorry, who was it? It was Tan. So Tan, I totally get why you would ask that question. And I think on top of that, have you guys like had any plumbing done or any electrical work done, or like even like auto mechanic stuff? Like I bought a truck recently, so I'm getting some work done on it. My local mechanic shop is $200 an hour for 220 an hour for labor. Like even if you bring your own parts, like if you say here, I want to change this on my car. Here's the parts. Don't charge me for the parts. It's still like 220 an hour for a good mechanic, right? So, and electricians are not much cheaper. Plumbing is not cheap. Getting cement poured is not cheap, right?